Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how to clone any Android app. Normally you know that you can only install an Android app once on any Android device, but there are some occasions where you would like to duplicate an app to use for different different purposes. So on this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how to duplicate, or rather on how to clone your favorite app like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube, Snapchat, and all different type of app. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. In order to clone an Android app, you are going to need an application that is called 2Accounts. So what you have to do, just go to your Play Store. Let me quickly show you guys. Just go to your Play Store, and then you're going to have to search for the app. Just search for 2Accounts. You can already see it there. I've already searched for it before. So just search for 2Accounts. You see this one that has dual app space. Let me show you guys. You can see 2Accounts, dual app space. So this is the one that you are going to install. So once you've installed it on your device, simply open the app. Once you've opened the app, it's going to open up like this. So you can see this plus icon below. Just click on it. As you can see, there are different apps here. So you can actually clone any one of your choice. So to clone any app, let me say I want to clone Telegram, or let me just start with WhatsApp Business. All you have to do is just press this plus icon. You can see it right there. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it's going to clone the app, and then it's going to add it here. As you can see, I've already cloned WhatsApp before, so I just cloned WhatsApp Business. So to open it, just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it's going to take some few minutes. After that, it's going to open the cloned app. As you can see right now, the app is open. So that's just how it works. It's actually very simple. Let me quickly just do it for another app. So let me say I want to clone my TikTok. So let me tap on TikTok. It's going to add the TikTok here. Then all I have to do is just tap on it to open it. So it's just like that. It's quite simple. So as you can see, the TikTok is also open. So that's how you can clone any app that you want, any of your favorite app on your Android devices to use for different purposes. If you would like to learn on how to remove background from any photo using Canva on Android, then watch this video right now to learn on how to do that. I'm going to suggest the video at the end of this video so that you can easily access it and watch it. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. And also at the end of this video, you are going to see some of my similar videos. You might see some of my playlists, so you can also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.